Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix a heating pad blinking and not working. Safety shut off, reset and repair. Fix 1 is reset the heating pad. Unplug the heating pad from the wall outlet, then disconnect the controller from the heated pad if it is removable. Wait for 30 seconds to 5 minutes. Reconnect the controller securely. Plug the heating pad back into the outlet, then turn the pad on and check if the blinking light stop. Second fix is check the power connection. Make sure the power cord is fully plugged into the wall outlet. Then inspect the connection between the controller and heating pad. Try a different wall outlet, then turn the heating pad on again and see if it starts heating. Third fix is straighten the cord. Unplug the heating pad, then check the entire power cord for twist, bend or damage. Straighten any kinks in the cord, then plug the heating pad back in and test it. Fourth fix is allow the pad to cool down. Turn off and unplug the heating pad, then let it cool for 15 to 30 minutes. Make sure the pad is lying flat and not folded. Plug it back in and turn it on. Thanks for watching.